Oh, lovely music. We are having tea. And there's yes. The Opa is preparing his scones. And Nanny's enjoying hers. And Mommy's already enjoyed most of hers. And Sophia's going to attempt a tea. No muffin. Go ahead. Give it a shot. Slowly. Oh, well done. Well done. Put it back on its saucer.
No, it says on my blanket.
Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so educated. So refined. So civilized. Are you civilized, Sophia? Mm-hmm. Are you refined? Is that good tea? Yes.